All right, everybody, we are here for another bottle and can return video, except in this video, we're only returning bottles, glass to be exact. Got glass, the bag's kind of broke, as you can see. Some of them are spilling out. Got tons of glass, got a bunch of bags. Got this, which has got about halfway full. We're here at a new location. We're at Busch's, and they have T-83s, Tomra T-83s. So let's get started. Let's see how much we can get. Okay, here we go. Great. That one doesn't work. Okay, great. I went through all that, and now this one doesn't work. Okay, guess that'll be it. Gotta go to a different location. New location, here we go. I think we have a working machine this time because both the conveyors spin, so we should be good. All the returnables made it, but not all the bags. A lot of the bags ripped. So, all right, let's get started. I'm ready to do this and get this over with, so here we go. Okay, we're all set. All right, let's get this over with. This has been a pain. So let's just get these going and get some money. So let's start off with an angry orchard. Not accepted. Barcode on that one. That'll be a $10 max out. $10. Now I'm going to clear the top of all the rejects. So listen to all of this. A couple of those broke. All right, we got more to go, so here we go. I will wipe the barcode on that one. Let's try it now. Four Coke bottles remain, and that's it. Here we go. $32.30. Sorry, $3.30 on that last one. All right, that'll be it. Let's go tally up the results. Well, take a look outside. It's nighttime, guys. Yes, I actually did do a return at nighttime. I don't know if I've actually done one before at nighttime, but here we are doing the outro for the video. As I always do it in my car because that's where I am right now. So yeah, it's nighttime outside. I don't typically do nighttime returns. I typically do them in the afternoon, but today I decided to do it in the evening here at Kroger. I was at Busch's earlier, actually, which was where the first clip was. I was at Busch's trying to show a new location. Of course, the one conveyor on the reverse vending machine was not working, and they only have one glass machine. Therefore, when that one's down, you can't return glass. And I don't want to hand give them my bottles and stuff because, first off, I have a ton. As you guys could see, I returned over 100 in this video, and that'd take forever to count. Plus, I want to do a video on the machines because that's why I go out to do these videos, is to get the machines on video. Some locations like Trader Joe's, for example, don't have machines, so you don't have a choice. But in this case, we ran over here to Kroger and we did them here. And actually, I had the same problem on this very glass machine once before as well. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm going to give this Kroger a shot. We'll see if we can get to return the returnables here. And sure enough, we were able to, and we did get them returned. I can actually see the reverse vending machines here from the car. One of them seems to be having an issue because the orange light's blinking on it. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let's just get down to the statistics. I can't speak. I'm getting a little tired. I need to go home. But anyway, the statistics for the video: we returned 133 bottles, glass bottles to be exact. That's $13.30. So not too bad. A little bit more money in my pocket. That's for sure. Definitely a good return. A lot of rejects, including Hard Orchard bottles were most of the rejects. Unfortunately, if we could get most of those to go through, we probably would have had another $2 or $3. But either way, I'm just glad I got to do another video on glass because I always enjoy doing that. And this was a pain because a lot of my paper bags kept breaking and I couldn't carry them all in that plastic bag. I can only carry a few. It all started with the box because I keep them in a Walmart box, a really big one in the garage. And that, I tried to pick it up and the bottom broke on it. So that didn't work out too well.
So yeah, definitely had some misadventures, I guess you could say. But in the end, everything got returned, except the rejects, obviously, and I got some more money in my pocket. So thank you guys, as always, for watching the video. It really does mean a lot for all your support. I know there's a lot of you guys that really enjoy these returnable videos now. Anyway, I got to get going because I want to go home now. I'm tired. It's past 8:30 now, so I want to go home. So with that being said, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.